Alright guys, welcome back. We are not doing great, guys. Unfortunately, we took another loss today. Um, we're down to 723, so we're really trying to put it back. Looking at oil right now, I cleaned it up a little bit right here. As you can see here, this is what we failed. This caught us trying to go long here. Right now it's actually doing what we wanted to. Right now it's one touch here, two touch, three touch here. So I'm actually kind of want to take some longs here. I like this to keep going higher. Oil it's actually up 0.4%. So I'm gonna take 3 here, guys. The reason why I'm gonna take 3
order filled
is because the risk is very little. Even with 3 right here, it's only $72 risk, so it's really not that bad. The risk going with this being your stop loss. I don't like this being your stop loss, this big one, because I think this is gonna keep going higher. Obviously can't go this way, but the risk of $72 is not a lot, so I do like it here, so I'm gonna take it here. Probably looking for this high right there, 210. We can finish and keep going. If we keep going, then obviously great, but I'm expecting a move like this, somewhere around like that, and then maybe we'll get stopped out or something. But it's tough, guys. Just been kind of loss after loss after loss for the last week and 2 days. So I'm hoping that we can really start pushing up. That's about it. Not much we can do. We're playing what we see. It was gold today, as you saw. It broke and then it just kept going. It's ridiculous. Very upsetting that Tata has not come up with alerts yet, because I feel like I'm missing a ton of plays just because I don't see them. So yeah, not much to do here. This is gold right now. Can't even put that in because it's still. Let's put it here for the 1 hour. We're gonna see where this goes so we can match it up to that. But obviously, play right now in gold is shorts. You have 1, you have 2, 3, you have 4. Once this breaks, this is where we'd love to short it. They have a lot of touches here, so we'll see what happens here. Would have been a great play to take longs and hold those, but not much you can do now. I will probably stay away from the Nasdaq for a while, guys. Basically because I've been getting just bombarded by the Nasdaq recently. I'm still gonna do it because I still take it on my bigger account, but not in this account. I really want to build this up to over 1,000 again. We've come back from losses before, so it's not anything new to us. But this is where traders tend to lose, I would say, in tilt, because of these situations where you're down. You have 5, 6, 7 consecutive days of just not great plays, and it is what it is. It happens, fortunately. So we're gonna keep it going. Let's look at platinum. This is just, I don't even know what you would call that. It's just ugliness right there. You do have 1 touch, you have 2 touch. You can get a 3rd touch of platinum. Longs look good. That's about it, guys. So we'll see what happens. Let's look at silver. Again, silver, same thing as gold. It looks, you have 1 touch here, you have 2 touch, 3 touch. This is prime example of shorting. If we can break this and hold below. One thing I will say is I will probably not take a short until a full hour candle is formed below or to close below, because that's what happened today. In oil, that's exactly what happened today. So in oil today, we got long around here. We got long around here because we had this breaking, and this stupid candle literally closed below it. It literally got, it fell down. So had I waited until this candle closed, I wouldn't have taken the trade. Yet I did up here with like 10 minutes to go on the candle close, and then we got stopped out around here. So it is what it is. But I like it here. It's $72 risk is not a lot for this. So, and we had a nice little push. Oil is up around 0.38% right now, so almost 0.5%. So we'll see what happens. I hope we can jump up and get some a good trade in, and get something going here, guys. We're still playing on strategy, so it's not like we're doing anything. We're not tilting or anything. Just playing our strategy at the moment. Let's see what copper's doing. After this huge. It's crazy. Copper's almost at, wow. Yeah, now it's just doing copper, guys. I mean, it broke this, would have been nice, but just waiting on it now. Let's look at the Dow. What it did today. This is nothing. This is nothing. And this would have broke, but you would have gotten destroyed after that. You have 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. So, I mean, technically this is a breakout. Technically, to keep the Dow. I mean, what was it? The Dow's up 0.10% right now. Nasdaq is down 0.08%. But yeah, I mean, technically you broke here. We closed below. Right now it's coming back. I mean, this is probably a great here to take longs here, because you have only a very small risk from here to there. You see it from here over to there. So I might take this. You can see this is a very big. It's starting to break, but we'll see. Let me look at the Russell first. So this is nothing now. It broke. This would have been a beautiful trade if we would have been able to catch it, but we did not, unfortunately. Okay, this is what we got right now. Forming on the Russell. Yeah, you see that's forming. See if this breaks, keep going down. So I'm not gonna take that. Yeah, that's what it is. I think, what is it? The Russell is actually the Russell is the strongest one. It's up 0.2%. But I still like the Dow better just because of our strategy. It's oh, come on. Yeah, I mean, it's a nice. I like the exposure here, the risk. That's mainly why. So you have 1, 2, 3, broke, came back down, retesting this. So I might take it on my bigger account, guys. Not in this account. We already have a 3 contracts here. We're up $3 right now, so we'll see what happens. But that's the goal, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully we'll do something better tomorrow and finally get a nice green trade. All right, see you tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. We are back again. It's around 8:30. Let me make this bigger so you can see everything. And yeah, it stopped us out, guys. Unfortunately, took that $60 loss, moved it up a little bit. I think before I went to bed. It was looking good. We got in around here. It was looking good because it looked like if this didn't break, I think I got stopped out around here. This was gonna keep going, but it didn't, guys. It's actually just drowning now. So not much we can do here. It is what it is. Unfortunately, we're just been loss after loss right now. So there's not much we can do right now. Actually, the only thing I'm looking at right now, I'm gonna set that right there, as that is a new. And I say you have 1, you have 2, and you do have 3. So if this does break, I will go long, but it's not looking very enticing right now. We'll see if we can break this trend. But for now, that's all I'm going to see. Let's see. Look at gold. Let's see. Gold, there's nothing to do with gold here. It's just up. I mean, this is a short. If it breaks, I will only take if one of the hourly candles closes below, just so we can have a lot of security, because we just keep taking a lot of losses recently, and I don't want to take any more losses. Look at platinum. Let's see what's going on with platinum. So it is breaking, but I will not take this. This is a good short. I do like it. What's platinum? Platinum is down almost 1%. But I'm not gonna take it until the candle closes because that's what's been getting me. So it's only 8:30. I might get screwed and and platinum. It can only take it on minis. So you have this huge risk right here from this to go all the way up. So I'm not gonna take it. If it does close below, I will take it. So we'll see what happens for a nice quick scalp. Let's look at silver. Yeah, same thing. Silver, it has to close below, and I will take the short. Not that I'm gonna take the Nasdaq, but let's look at it. I mean, this is looking good for longs. Looking really good for longs. Look at that. One, two, three very different right in the middle. I mean, I love that. That looks really good. I do like it. I will probably take this in my bigger account, not on this small account. I mean, I'll see. It's tough right now because we've been losing and we're trying to take A+ setups. So, and I hate taking longs, going long on all-time highs already. So, not something I really want to do. But, I mean, the setup is there, It's just whether we want to take it or not. This would be your stop loss, this right here, because I don't think this would be very good. Because let's say that this breaks, you have this. Not comfortable with having that. You'd have a little more risk. So I mean, give it some space so it can move. Let's look at the Dow. I know we were looking at the Dow yesterday. So it's funny enough. I actually took the Dow on my other account. I went long around here. I think I told you. And went down here. We went up. I think I sold around here, which is pretty nice. Came back down. Look, it's literally keeping it. And then now it's. I mean, I could have made a lot more in here, but you see how it is. The play is there, guys. Look, you have 1, you have 2, you have 3, and here it broke, came back down, retested it. I went long around here, so we closed above the candle right there, and then I took a long when it retested. Look at that. It still respected this, and now it's respecting it. Look, it's just going up very, very nicely. So the strategy does work, but that doesn't mean that every single one's gonna work. It's just I've also been caught where it's not closing, just like platinum. Like, I will take it right here. I'll be like, okay, it's breaking. I take it here, and then so half an hour, and the next half hour, it goes all the way up, and then closes above the actual trend line. So it's like, okay, it has 3 touches, but the candle was just a fake out. So that's what I'm gonna try to do now, so that doesn't happen as much. Hopefully, I mean, you're still gonna take losses. It's gonna happen. It's part of the game. But just trying to be a little more less risk, so that doesn't happen as much. Be able to just have a bigger confirmation. You can see here the Russell, it's breaking. And you have here all the way from up here, you have this huge that it's breaking, and it is. But if it breaks that yellow line, that's a huge. Yeah, let's look at it. Let me see data. There we go. Let's put 4 hours. Yeah, so from all the way from up here, guys, you have 1, you have 2, you have 3. So now we're breaking. What is the Russell right now? Let's see. It is, wow, copper's up 1.3%. RTY up 8.7%. Yeah, we're up. It's the strongest one. That and the Dow. Nasdaq is 0.09% up. So I do like it here. We are just breaking. It wouldn't be here. Your stop loss would probably be there. So that is a small risk, because this would be a huge risk if you're from here all the way to here. I do like it here. It's nice and strong. And like I said, the Nasdaq looks really good for a nice break too. So if this keeps going and it breaks this 2289, we could really get a nice push up today. Because again, if you look at the 4 hours, I mean, we've been in from here to here. It's just been boom, 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 boom. So we gotta, if this breaks right now, and it's kind of coming back, kind of retest. See how it's retesting these highs right now. So I do like it here for longs. And we did close above 1 candle, 2 candles. It's coming back retesting. If I take a long here, our stop loss would be just under, so it would be a small risk, which I'm okay with that. But I want to give it some room. Let's see. I'm just debating whether I want to take it here or wait a little bit, because this might go like a little less. Because see right now, it's, even though it's this, it's also this. It's this might break because you have 1, 2, 3 touches, but it might break where the safety line is like over here or something. You know, like it might come back like and then keep going up. So I think I want to wait until we see something that kind of like breaks this and makes like a new low, and then it starts to go up. That's when I think I want to take it. Just more confirmation, guys. I don't want to make it more difficult, but it's just that we've been taking just too many losses lately in the last week and a half, the week and last 2 days. So I'm gonna try to do that. That's unwatched. The Nasdaq, then NQ again. If we can break that, that looks very good right there. As you can see, you have 1, you have 2, you have 3. Get one close above. I might even go with my big accounts on this one. Oil. I don't know why I'm so persistent on oil, but I do like it. Oil is up. It's down now, 0.37%. Let's look at the bigger picture on oil. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, I mean, this, if one of these, once this breaks and then this huge, see this huge trend line breaks from all the way from the bottom over here, I mean, that's just, it's asking to just massively jump. But, I mean, that 67.30, that's like a huge deal. It's probably not gonna, it's not gonna break anytime soon. But we'll see, guys. That's the plan. We'll keep it there, and we'll be back. Hope you can try to catch a green trade today, and at least finish somewhat green today. And we'll go from there today, guys. We'll see you later on. All right, guys. Here, as you can see, I'm looking at platinum. It is a very risky trade, but I do like it. We held below in the hourly, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this short. Obviously, it moves pretty fast, but we're gonna try to hold it and see what we can do here. Hopefully, work doesn't get in the way. We'll set up our stop loss right here, which is going to be a hefty. It's going to be like 500-600 stop loss. But we're going to try to keep it as much as we can, and see what I can do. This white line right there is going to be our stop loss. And we'll go from there. And hopefully we can try to push it down. All right? All right, guys. So as you can see here, came back, hit our stop loss. Unfortunately, I was at work and I couldn't move the stop loss or monitor it well, which is very unfortunate because we ended up taking a $630 loss, back break even on the account, which is very unfortunate. From now on, I'm only going to take some micros, try to build more of a cushion on this account. It's very hard to build such a small account, but we'll see what we can do, guys. It is what it is, and we'll go from there, guys. We'll see you soon.